Welcome guys. Let's do QI token technical analysis and price prediction. So please subscribe my channel and please watch this video complete. Current rank of QI is 617 and price of QI is 14 cents right now. Market cap of this token is $48 million. Fully diluted market cap of this token is $1 billion. 24-hour trading volume of this token is $19 million and circulating supply of this token is just 325 million and maximum and total supply of this token is 7.2 billion. And let me please show you some statistics. All-time high of this token was on August 24, 2021, about 4 months ago, and price was 40 cents. All-time low of this token was on August 19, 2021, about 4 months ago, and QI return on investment is 1558%, which is very good, and it is available on these exchanges: Binance, Gate.io, KuCoin. And if you want to buy this token on Binance or KuCoin exchange, just go to in this video's comment section or in this video's description where you can get these links. This is Binance exchange link, this is KuCoin exchange link. Just click on these links and register your accounts. After registration, you have to deposit. After first deposit, you can claim these bounces. These bounces are absolutely free and these are tradable bounces. Just trade with these bounces only and put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. Let me please show you website of this token. Liquidity unlocked $3.9 billion, which is very huge. Supply, borrow and earn. All of Avalanche non-custodial lending and borrowing protocol. Here you can see return on investment 7.88% on Avalanche and Link, USDT, USDC, QI, DAI, audit and security measures. Strategic investors, Avalanche, here you can see GBB, Woodstock, very important and good token and very good partners. And please do your own research before buying this token. Let me please show you first chart. This is QI USDT pair 4-hour chart. Current price of this token is 14 cents right now. We see a correction of approximately, let me please show you, 62%, and it is a huge correction and it is right time to buy this token, I think so, because it is at 14.8 cents right now. Once it breaks this upper trend line, this is main trend line, in that case it will hit these targets. These white lines are main targets and main horizontal resistances, and this yellow line is main support line. Currently it is at the bottom, and once it break 18 cents price area, next target is 20 cents, after that 24 cents, 27 cents and 30 cents. These all are coming targets and can hit these targets very soon. Let me please show you some indicator. First of all, EMA ribbon. Here you can see candles are trying to break this EMA ribbon. Once candle closing above 16 cents price area, after that it will break this EMA ribbon, and after that we may see a impulsive move. Here you can see candles break this towards upside, and after that we see a 98% impulsive move. Candle break this towards upside, we see a 36% impulsive move. Candle break this towards downside and we see a destructive move of near about 36%. And here you can see candles break this towards upside and we see a upside move of 27%. That is why this EMA ribbon is very important to hold. Once it break this EMA ribbon, in that case definitely it will turn into spot. But this area is very important, this box area. It have to break this box area. Once it broke this box area, definitely it is ready to hit all these targets. But for all these targets, it have to cross 19 cents price area. Once it broke this area, in that case it can easily hit its all-time high and it can hit all these targets very soon. And let me please show you fib levels to trade in 4 hour. Let me please do this. Let me please show you. Let me please fix this. Here you can see once it break this area 0.23 fib level, which is 19 cents price area, next is 23 cents price area, which is 0.38 fib level, and after that 0.5 fib level, which is very important, and it is at 26 cents price area. After that 0.61, which is 28.9 cents price area, and after that 0.78, 33 cents price area. Once it break this area 0.78 fib level, in that case it will be extreme bullish, and after that it will break all-time high and it will create new height. Let me please show you daily chart. This is daily chart. In daily it is a pattern, it is in pattern of falling wedge, and this is falling wedge pattern. This is upper trend line, this is down trend line, and this blue line is main support line, and it is at 11 cents price area. Main resistance it can face at 19 cents price area. Once it break this yellow line and once it break this area, in that case next target would be 27 cents and 36 cents. But this area is very important to break. It have to break this area, and once it close daily candle above 19 cents price area, in that case it can hit 27 cents and 36 cents very soon. If it rejected from this zone, in that case there is a strong spot is at 11 cents, and after that 7.5 cents. It is a bullish pattern. Normally it break towards upside, and I think once it break this area, in that case definitely it is ready to hit these targets very soon. And technical target would be 36 cents because of the beginning of this falling wedge. This will be our technical target, 36 cents price area. Let me please show you fib level for trading. In daily chart. In daily, currently it is in between 0.61 to 0.78 fib level, and once it break 0.61, which is 16 cents price area, in that case next target is 0.5 fib level, which is 21 cents price area. After that 0.38, which is 25 cents price area, and after that 0.23 fib level, which is 31 cents price area. These are fib levels to trade. Unfortunately, it break 0.61 fib level towards downside. Now price can hit this area, maybe 9.5 cents, 0.78 fib level, 9.5 cents. Maybe price can go down to hit this zone. We have to be very carefully. But if it break this area, $16.2 cents price area, in that case definitely it can hit 21 cents, 25 cents, 31 cents and 41 cents very near future. These are coming targets. Note down these targets. This is my technical analysis, guys. I hope you like this. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now, and please share this video with all of your friends and crypto community. Thanks for the support, and please take care.